welcome again to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this exponential challenge which read x to the power of x minus 2 is equals to 16. What is the possible value for x? Before I solve this, if you can actually solve this, you can pause this video, then try for yourself, then come back to this video again and see if your value for x is correct. So let's provide a solution to this, assuming you've solved for it. So let me provide my own solution. Okay, you're having x to the power of x minus 2 is equals to 16. Possible value for x is what? So we can write x to the power of x minus 2 equals to 16. Okay, so from here we are going to apply the indices rule, which says if you're having a to the power of b minus c, okay, is equals to a to the power of b times a to the power of minus c. So if we put this rule here, we'll simply have this to be x to the power of x times x to the power of minus 2 equals to 16. Okay, so from here we are going to apply a rule which says if you're having a to the power of b times a to the power of minus c is also equals to a to the power of b divided by a to the power of c. So if we put this rule here, we simply have this to be x to the power of x, okay, over x squared equals to 16. Okay, so this is what we're now having. So how do we look for x? Okay, from here we can simply write this to be x to the power of x over x squared is equals to 16 times 1. So 16 times 1 still remains our 16. Okay, so we have this to be x to the power of x over x squared is equals to 16 times, remember your 1, you can see our 1 is also equals to 16 divided by 16. Okay, so from here we'll put it here, so divide by 16 times 16 divided by 16 rather. So 16 divided by 16 is going to give us this one. Okay, so from here we can write this to be x to the power of x over x to the power of 2 equals to, so we can simply break 16 down to be 4 to the power of 2. So we have 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 2 over 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so we can now see that we are getting close to the value of x now. So from here we apply a rule which says we are having a to the power of b times a to the power of c, okay, is also equals to a to the power of b plus c. So if we put this rule here, if we put this little rule here, we have this to be x to the power of x over x squared equals to 4 to the power of 2 plus 2 over 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so we can now see that 2 plus 2 is going to give us 4. So we can say x to the power of x over x squared is equals to 4 to the power of 4 over 4 to the power of 2. So by comparison we can say x is equals to 4. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye.